Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nancy and Apron. I'm going to make a quick and easy snack. Very low in sugar. Well, pretty much no sugar. We're going to use coconut oil. Lily's baking chips, pecans. I have some sugar, it's just coconut, no sugar added, and I'm going to toast it. And just a little bit of salt. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is toast some coconut. I have my skillet over a medium heat. Toast up a 1/4 cup. Let's give it a little more. There we go. I love the smell of toasted coconut. But we're just gonna toast this up real quick, and then I'm gonna melt 1½ tablespoons of the coconut oil. You can do it with a double boiler if you want to. I'm just going to do mine in the microwave. You can see where it's starting to turn brown here. That's what we want. We want it to turn brown. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and turn that off and take it off the heat. And just let it sit there and continue to brown up. Just in the warm skillet. Yeah. I'm going to go over here and melt my coconut oil, so I'll be right back. Okay, coconut oil is melted. And now we're going to, whoops, we're not going to spill anything. That's what we're not going to do. I'm going to pour this whole package of Lily's semi-sweet. You can use dark chocolate. They got so many flavors of these chips now. You use whichever one you prefer. But I did start with 1.5 cups, or a tablespoon and a half of the coconut oil, because they said an 8-ounce package of Lily's chips in the recipe, and this is a 7-ounce one. So but this will start melting down. I'm just going to set it on top of here. It'll start melting down the chocolate chips. And I'm probably going to stick it in the microwave to help it go ahead with the melting process. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll be right back. Okay, move over here, a little more counter space. I've just about got these melted down to the way I want it. I have it sitting on a towel, of course, so it doesn't cool the bowl down of chocolate so much. I'm going to go ahead and add my toasted coconut. This is optional, by the way. And just start stirring this in. And now, this whole bag, it's a 1 cup bag of pecans. Get that mixed in really well. And I'm going to add some salt. I really like the flavor of salt on chocolate. So I'm going to get that mixed in. And I'm going to let this cool down just a little bit so that we can get the consistency that we need. I'm just going to put some raw coconut in it. It just looks too thin to me. I think think I would start out melting the chocolates first, and then if you need to add any coconut oil to it, then do that. Oh wow, this smells so good. But I'm gonna scoop these out. You can pour this into a bowl if you want to, but I don't know how easy it would cut is the thing. But I've got my pen right here, and I've got parchment paper on it. So we're gonna go ahead and start scooping this out on here. And I've just got a small cookie scoop that I'm using. I don't know how it's gonna set up though. Probably should have got a bigger pan. Pretty sure I do need a bigger pan. But you get the gist of it. And yeah, if you want to put 2 cups of the nuts in it, then that would be great too. I just used 1 cup because I wanted to put that coconut, shredded coconut in here. So, but it's bound to taste really good because it smells delicious. But this is a keto-friendly recipe. I know, y'all holler, ew, keto. Oh, come on, it's chocolate and nuts. That's what it is. Okay, I might have to get me another pan. And I'm gonna go ahead and stick this one in the fridge. It has been just a beautiful day here. The weather is just a wonderful weather type day here. Sunny, little breeze, just wonderful. Warm. This is just chocolate here, so I mean, we don't want to waste it. With these, I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of the salt on the top of them. And these that don't have very many nuts in them, I'm just gonna sprinkle it with some more coconut. And there we go. Keto-friendly chocolate pecan treats. Look back there. Okay. They're not 100% set up, but it's good,
yeah,
huh?
Boy. But I don't want this to melt anymore, so.
Needs a little bit more refrigerator time. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I hope you will. Click that subscription button. Click that notification bell. Sorry, it's coconut sticking in my teeth. Okay, so the recipe is this. 1 teaspoon of coconut oil melted. You can do it microwave if you want to, or double boiler, however you want to do it. 1 bag of Lily's chips, whichever flavor you want. 1 cup of nuts of your choice, or 2 cups if you're not going to use coconut. The coconut, I used a 1/2 cup. I did toast some of it, and the other I just went ahead and sprinkled in there just as it was. But the next time I will that I do make it, I will toast all of the coconut and a little sprinkling of salt. That's it. Mix it all together. Have you a nice big pan covered in parchment paper or wax paper, either one. Put it on there in small scoops. Stick it in your refrigerator. Let it get good and firm. Not kind of melty as we did. We wanted to go ahead and try it. And then just stick it in an airtight container. You can keep it in your refrigerator, is what I would do. But that's it. That's all. Keto friendly. Low carb. That's it. So you all take care, and I will see you next time. Bye.